It's Monday, the 24th of July. My head is sort of spinning. We have had a very busy weekend. Ann Weaver arrived on Friday and she sent her trunk show, which I'm going to give you a little sampling of. She was here for the weekend. She taught 2 classes on Saturday. She taught 2 more classes on Sunday. It was a huge success, very well attended. People loved it. Remember, she's coming back to North Carolina for us in October on the 7th and the 8th, but it's at Lake Junaluska, the Lambeth Hotel. So it will be a retreat in the mountains, and she will be teaching 4 classes up there as well on that weekend. So you might want to mark your calendars. We're going to send out a big what to do and how to sign up for it very, very soon. So that's coming up. She's a marvelous teacher. Anyway, and then we started kids camp today. I took her to the airport at 7 this morning. So I'm just kind of like, I think I'm running on not adrenaline, but more like on empty. But it's all good. So if I say something wrong or I appear to have forgotten to put on my lipstick, so that's a drag, makes me look even more tired. All right, let me show you her yarn. She has, her yarn company is called Plied, and it is, it looks like this, and this is just one of many, many, many colorways. They are absolutely gorgeous. This is a, it's 6.5 stitches to the inch, so it's a fingering slash sport. It's 215 yards. It is at our trunk show, it is $30 for one of these hanks. It comes in a ton of colors, and this is the sample of what all the different colors look like. It's very marled, and let me tell you how they make it. So she gets all of her yarn from Harris Mills. They send her the blank yarn. They then put it into hanks, and they individually dye every single color. So if it's red and blue, pink, they're dyeing the pink and the blue, and then they send it back to Harrisville Mills, and they ply it together. It's a very unusual process. It's a unique process. It's 100% wool. It's not merino, soft, squishy. It's beautiful, a little rustic. It's got some wonderful feel for it, but the look is fabulous, and it's warm, and it will last forever. All right, so these are just the different colorways that I have in stock. I'm not even going to look up the names for you. I'm just running them through. So it is beautiful and so gorgeous. You can go to her website. You can buy from her directly, or you can buy from me. If you buy from her, her prices are slightly less, but you have to pay shipping. So anyway, there you go. So here we go. Beautiful. What? I mean, it's really, really fantastic. I'm getting some myself to knit kind of a very winter sweater, which will be lovely. She also has done it in a worsted weight. This is called Braidorama, and she taught the Braidorama class, and this is her Braidorama pattern. So this is what this will make. This is 6 half hanks. Anyway, I should tell you what the Braidorama is. Just a minute. Braidorama is $90. This is $90, and it makes this, which is beautiful. And last but not least, she has this very unique put up for minis. It's in bobbins, little plied bobbins. So 35 yards, they're $7.50 a piece, and there are a million colors. 6 bobbins will make a hat easily. She has some hat patterns that go with them. She has pre-packaged hat kits like this and like this. So fun. It's been great. I'm going to have it through the weekend. So I just wanted to show you what's going on around here and how much fun we had with Ann. She was just a lovely teacher and very, very smart and very a great instructor and explainer, right? We've had a busy day today with our first camp day. They dyed yarn. It was exciting with Kool-Aid. Tomorrow is embroidery on some felt, and Ray is helping with that class. So anyway, lots going on around here all week. So that's all I've got for today. I do have something to tell you about, but I'm going to tell you about it tomorrow when I have just a little bit more information. We're going to do another Sunday spa retreat on the 13th of August, which is not very far away, and I want to get you guys all signed up. It's called The Art of Color. You have already gotten an email about it from me, and I want you to be excited. This is not about, not going to be so technical as it's going to be more experiential, and it's not so much about knitting and crocheting, so it's about color and how you work with color and see color and the different hues and shades and values and all that kind of stuff. So I'm excited. Two of my friends who are both artists and teachers here in town are going to help us with that, and it will be so fun. You'll have a swag bag and all that other good stuff. $250 for a Sunday retreat from 10 to 6. It includes lunch, some mimosas, some massage, probably some yoga. It'll be good. I'll probably have a few more details tomorrow. All right, I think that's all I have for tonight. I will see you tomorrow with lipstick.